Hey everybody, I'm working on a 2009 Wrangler Unlimited here, and this thing's got the death wobble on it. So I got the boy up in it, wiggling the steering wheel to try to figure out where the death wobble's coming from. And I do believe if you look at this tie rod end, it's kind of bouncing. Go a little bit more. There you go. See how it's bouncing up and down? So that ball is definitely worn out there. And then this one here is kind of doing the same thing. So we're gonna get this whole assembly. All the other ones look okay, but this one's really bad. See how it's jumping up and down? So I think we're gonna be able to fix the death wobble on this one by putting this piece on it. And you can feel it clunking too when you put your hand on it. All right, everybody, just a real quick one. So when you have a death wobble, you need to check all the tie rod ends and all the ball joints, and especially this locator bar. This locator bar on this one that runs from the frame to the rear end is actually okay on this one. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos. I'll come back and see if we fixed it, or I'll put it down in the comments. I'll put it down in the comments if this fixed the death wobble on this Jeep. Thanks a lot, everybody.